Hello YouTube! So this is probably a new setup. I'm pushing in the limits, and if you like what's already going on, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And today we're talking about the Redmi Note 5. This device needs no introduction. So today I've got my hands on a brand new device. So without further delay, let's get this done.
I usually don't expect much from Xiaomi boxes. As I open the box, it's pretty unusual as you don't see anything on the top. So apart from the mobile, here are the other contents out of the box. You get a rubber case for the mobile, which is great. Thumbs up for that. The warranty card, some other paperwork, and a Xiaomi charger. Now setting all of these aside and killing the suspense, here's the hero of today's video, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Onto the front is the new bezel-less display with 18:9 aspect ratio. If you haven't noticed that, it has a resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels, which equates to 403 pixels per inch. Turning around the phone, it's the same old story. It looks like an exact replica of the Redmi Note 4. The one I have is the matte black version, which apparently matches to the color of my bike. So there are two variants, the 3x32GB variant priced at 9,999 Indian rupees and the 4x64GB variant priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. The one I have is the 4x64GB variant. So now let's dig more deeper into the specs. The Redmi Note 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 625 and comes with the 4000 mAh of battery and comes with 4000 mAh battery. Straight away 10 on 10 for battery life. This will easily last you more than a day on a single full charge. The fingerprint sensor is on the back just below the camera, and oh boy, it's damn fast. Moving on to the camera, it has a 12 megapixel rear camera with an f/2.2 aperture. This time around, it has bigger pixel size of 1.25 micron pixel, which theoretically means it will have more brighter images and better low light shots. But that needs to be thoroughly tested. And for the selfie lovers, oh yes, you have a 5 megapixel front camera complemented by a front flash, which is common nowadays, but anyways, it's a nice addition.
So this was what you got in the box. And for first impressions, I really liked the display. But the thing is, I don't want to run into conclusion this early. I want to thoroughly test the device and I'll come up with a comprehensive review. But for the first impressions, here is what I want to show you.
About the camera, I don't want to get into a review this early, but here are some sample shots which I took. Please ignore the face. I haven't had an haircut for like months. You have to bear with the bigger face.
So this was it from my end. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because you regularly get updated on what's happening because there are plenty of cool stuffs coming on. Till then, see you soon.